on steroids! Get off my car! I just paid it off!
And the cat is in the air! Look at that flip! Turbo claws engaged, folks! He's not lifting! Boom! Another one! That's for sure! 7 explosions in 3 seconds!
Joystick delicious.
Boom!
Whoops. Next snap.
I'm unstoppable, babe!
Enter.
Destruction mode! Ah!
Hey, drop it. Wait.
You can't skateboard. Oh, you're doing it.
And that's how the wildlife wins the war on boring nuts. Oh, we're actually doing it! Keep up, squad! Surf, go, don't fall! Woo! Yeah, this is wild!
Oh, no!
The bear just crushed it. He's coming this way. Best video ever. Keep going, big guy.
When this cat sees danger, he doesn't run.
Toy mouse arm, serious.
He leaps.
Incoming!
And he absolutely
No!
destroys.
All right, buddy, show us what you got. Whoa, no way! They stuck the landing, are you kidding me? Goat Surfer of the Year!
Come on! Getting off me! Not today, Jumbo!
Whoa, that cat's crazy! No way it survives that weight. What? Still going?
He's back on his paws and he's had enough of sedans. Melons, toast, car, boom, shopping cart gone, and now he drives. That is a bear and a...
Stop him! Marshmallow! He's lighting the yard on fire!
He was just a cat until the toaster popped. Now he's the hero the kitchen didn't know it needed.
I really gotta work on my inside voice.
Boom! You want more wild animals, fire, and stuff that really shouldn't happen? Hit follow, smash subscribe, and share with your crew. I've got plenty more where that came from. Tap the next